Hey guys, how's it going? How to use two accounts on the same time on Roblox Mobile. To use two Roblox accounts simultaneously on mobile device, you will need to use two separate devices or create a second Roblox account and switch between them. Here's a short guide. Use a separate device, log in to your one Roblox account on your primary mobile device, log in to the second Roblox account on another device, e.g. tablet or another phone. Switch accounts. If you only have one device, you can log out of one account and log in to another and to switch accounts, open the Roblox on your mobile device and tap the gear icon settings and select log out, and then log in with the second account. Simultaneous use on one device or simultaneous use on a single device is not supported, so using multiple devices or frequently switching account is necessary. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.